In this video we show you how we set up our Tesla bed.
We travel as a family of 3 with our Tesla Model Y for 1 year through Europe and our home country, Switzerland. Follow us and subscribe to our channel, it would make us very happy, it helps us and it is incredibly motivating. We also sleep often in the Tesla and prefer to do so in lonely and beautiful places in nature. And that's why we bought a mattress for our Tesla. So we are super flexible and can stay where it is most beautiful. And it's comfortable. In the last video we showed how we pack our Tesla for our trips and how incredibly large the storage space of the Tesla Model Y is, even with a set-up bed.
But now we will show you how we set up the Tesla camping mattress from Tescamp and also tell you how we find the mattress. But first the child seat has to move in the front. It's just great that the seat can be folded down so easily at the touch of a button. The Tescamp camping mattress comes in a black bag. A cotton sheet is also included. The memory foam mattress inflates itself as soon as you loosen the straps. Velcro stripes are attached to the underside. We've heard that they are supposed to damage the trunk lining, but we couldn't find that out. Even after putting it up and taking it down several times, nothing can be seen. The end with the plastic plate underneath is the head area. This is really a good solution. This extends the bed surface. We also think it's great that the entire shape of the trunk is filled with precisely fitting parts. The sheet also has the same shape and fits exactly.
I'm 190 tall and I still fit in. The Tesla Model Y is a miracle of space.
Even the 3 of us have enough space to sleep in the Tesla Model Y, and with the camp mode the indoor climate is super comfortable all night long. We find the mattress very comfortable, everything feels very high quality and setting up and dismantling is also very easy. If you are interested in this mattress, you will find the link in the description.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and follow us on our travels with our Tesla Model Y through Europe, Switzerland and many beautiful places in the world.